did an ab workout with dumbbell. Now we're gonna have any weights. All right. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna do a combo ab workout. Elbow to knee, come back down, spread your arms out, hand the toe. All right, other side, elbow to knee, come back up, hand the toe. All right, 3 sets of 12, so that way it'll be even on each side. All right, so let's get it. Here we go. 10, 11, 12. So knee to elbow, then knee to toe. That's your rep. Okay. So you got 1 set out the way. You got 2 more to do. See our last exercise. All right. So last exercise we're gonna do. This is absolutely my favorite ab exercise. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12. So let's get into it. Let me show you. 1, 10, 11, 12. Woo. Okay. All right, hold on. I'm getting a cramp there. All right, muscle contracting. Okay. All right, here we go. Try to get up. All right, you got 1 set of 12 out the way. You got 2 more to do. Appreciate y'all. If you're having again, follow, subscribe to the channel. See y'all tomorrow for day 5. We're gonna do lower.